Hi, I'm Abdul Kadir, the senior Java developer of Infitar IT Solution Limited. Today in this video, I will show you how to create a custom module in Zoho CRM. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to crm.zoho.com. So just wait, it's loading. Okay, so first you need to know what is a module in Joe CRM. So module is just like a table for storing the information in the table. So here is the leads. It's look like a database table, and in the database table you can store all the informations of your leads or prospect collected via different channels like website, email, from custom forms, for any other source we can collect the leads. So this leads is just like it's a module, and it's just like a table in the database. So they are the record or the data in this database table. So module is just like a database table. So I'm going to create a custom modules. Suppose you have a problem that's some of the cases it is needed to create a custom module for storing different type of data according to your business requirement. So how we can create? Just you need to navigate settings, then go to customizations. Under customization, click modules and fields, and then you just click new module, click on it. Suppose you are collecting the donations. For donations there is no custom module, so I'm giving the name of the module is donation. It should be donation in plural forms, but in singular forms it should be donation. Done. And now you see the donation name, donation email created by, currency type, donation secondary email. So any other information you want to store like phone number, mobile number, and any other things you can do. So it is under standard layout. So I'm going to save it, and you can give the permissions for different roles like administrative roles, standard, sales. So you giving the permission for all roles. Now save it. On it is saved. Now you can cancel it, refresh the window. Now you see custom module donation. So if you create a donation, donation name, earn, earn rising for AFRIC, African fungus. You can put email or any other information, like you can put amount when you save it. So now click on donations. So now you see the donation has been created as a custom modules, and we have created a demo records under the donations, or a donation details under donation. So thank you. In the next video, I will try to cover how to create the custom layouts with necessary fields and information. Thanks for watching the video.